We hear a lot about the tempest and issues with accurate rainfall measurements. We're here to explain what's really happening and how to fix it. Rain gauge accuracy was an issue with the tempest early on, and we were vocal in our criticism as it just didn't seem like the haptic sensor was ready. But anecdotally, we've heard that there was some improvement. We retested the tempest this summer and can confirm it's improved, but you'll have to adjust the default settings. Understanding how the tempest works can help spot issues that would cause it to report rainfall incorrectly. The rain gauge uses haptic technology to sense rainfall, the same technology used to sense your finger on a smartphone. Here, when a raindrop comes in contact with the haptic sensor on the top of the device, the vibration is measured in order to determine how much rain is falling. Another feature which affects rainfall measurements is called nearcast rain, which is enabled by default. These adjustments are made to collect the data as the Tempest servers receive it and is shown in your app. So what does any of this have to do with your rain gauge? We found that Tempest requires a tweak to the settings and a stable mount. The first thing to do is ensure that your Tempest sensor is on a stable and short mast. A swaying mast causes vibration. Nearby rail lines or busy streets might also introduce unwanted vibration as well. Vibration is your enemy when it comes to haptics, so any movement of the Tempest sensor will cause issues with the haptic rain gauge working properly. If your rainfall readings still feel inaccurate, NC rain is likely the cause. This is not a measurement of rainfall at your location, but an estimate of average rainfall in your area. To turn it off, it's easy. From the Tempest app, tap Settings in the bottom menu. Under Manage, tap Stations. Tap the station you'd like to edit. Under Device, tap Manage Devices. Tap the sensor you wish to edit. Then tap Advanced, then the toggle beside Show NC Rain. Return to your Tempest data by tapping Weather in the bottom menu. After checking for potential sources of vibration and disabling NC rain, recheck your data. In our case, rainfall has now averaged within hundredths of an inch of our other weather stations. We hope this video was useful to some of you frustrated Tempest owners. And if it was, please give us a like and subscribe for more great weather videos. And of course, we'd love to hear if this helps make your Tempest just a bit more accurate.